I'm here to provide an update on the process for the Kahnawake tobacco law, the draft law that is, on behalf of the working group. So just a little bit of the background. When I took on this portfolio approximately a little over a year ago, it came to my attention that there were a number of items that were still left uncompleted. So after some meetings with the work group, some technicians that were on the file, both currently and previously, and in conjunction with the Kahnawake Legislative Commission, some information provided from them. We identified all the activities that needed to be completed in order for the draft law to move forward into the process. So from that point, we updated the work plan that was already in motion. We had to change a lot of the dates because of the delays we were running into. And up to now, everything on the work plan that has been identified is done except for one, which is a sheet of frequently asked questions, which is being updated as we speak. So that's going to be available to and be sent to KLC next week, and that's going to complete our end of the process. Now, this final step was in relation to 11 areas in the draft law that were identified by the legal department, where either inconsistencies with other laws were identified or certain wording which needed to be changed to ensure consistency or proper definition. So those things were done. We had to go and we did 2 kiosks over at the bank on August 14 and 20. So we received some feedback on that. We did a couple of radio shows. These are also 2 other tasks that needed to be done. So those were done. And this is the last one as far as our process is concerned. From here, all the information is going to go to Kahnawake Legislative Coordinating Commission in order for them to, they're going to be issuing a press release on the next steps as far as their process is concerned. And as soon as it can be scheduled, the draft law will be going to CDMP process. And it's not to review the entire law. It's only to ensure that these 11 areas that were adjusted by legal or recommended to be adjusted by legal, the changes have been made, and that's what's going to be reviewed as the third step in the CDMP process. It's not to reopen the law and start going through the whole thing again. It's only on those 11 areas. Once that's done, then the law will be going to council for an acknowledgement that this was done through the process and all bases were covered, and it'll be signed off by council. On that area, I just want to say this is not a Mohawk Council of Kahnawake law. This is a law that's being put forward by the Kahnawake Tobacco Association. And the involvement of the MCK is only to facilitate the movement of this law through the process. And that's what we're doing. We're assisting them to move it forward. And once it goes through and it's done with the process, then it becomes a community law that is identified for a certain sector of the community. So that's pretty much it. I mean, other than that, we're going to be sending everything to Legislative Coordinating Commission. I'll be giving a brief update on K103 tomorrow as part of my regular updates. So if I have any other additional information, it'll be provided at that time. If you have any questions, you can always email Kahawanta Stacy at kahawanta.stacy@mck.ca. That's KAHONWENTHA.Stacy, STACEY, at mck.ca. And that brings me to the end of my update. Thank you. Ana.